We'll guide you through how to find your Windows 11 product key. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to go and have it, perhaps you want to just go and have it as a reference in the future, and so you want to be able to go and find it. There are some different ways you can go about this, so make sure it's this full guide and you can then decide what way is going to go and work best for you in order to go and find it. And we can then go and put it into a notepad or go and put it somewhere else safe where you can only easily go and find it again in the future without having to go and repeat this process. So for the first way, what you need to do is go to the bottom of your computer. You need to go and press search. Then what you need to do is go and type in Registry Editor, like so. Don't worry, we aren't actually editing anything. We're essentially going to be viewing what our product key is. So go and click on it. You'll get a Windows security pop-up you need to agree to in order to go and open it up. Here we are. Now what you need to do is you want to go and find HKey local machine and press the expand arrow to the left, and it'll then go and open up like so. Then in here, you want to go and find the option for software, press the arrow to the left. Then what you want to do is go and scroll down here until you go and find the option for Microsoft. You can see it here, press the arrow to the left to expand it. And in here, you then want to go and scroll down. There's quite a lot of options here. And this is alphabetical order, by the way, as well. We're looking for Windows NT. So it's going to be right in the middle here, find Windows NT and press the arrow to the left to go and expand it. And then in here, you want to go and find current version. There's only one, so you can then click to the left to expand it. And then in here, what we're looking for is, it starts with software. It's this one here. So Software Protection Platform. Click on this here, don't expand it. And then if we go and look, you can go and find backup product key. And then in data, you're going to go and see your key there. So I'll go and hide most of mine, but it starts with 7NTYY. But what you could then do is you can go and write this down. You can't actually go and highlight it, which is slightly annoying, but you can go and note this down in a notepad, and then you can go and save it so you can easily go and find it in the future. Now, if this option doesn't work for you, don't worry. There's actually another way we can go about this. So you can go and close out of the registry editor for now. What we're going to do is I'll just go and close that there. What we need to do is go and press search at the bottom, type in command prompt, or just type in CMD, it's a little faster. Then you can go and right click on command prompt and press run as administrator. You then go and get a Windows security pop-up you need to agree to. Now there's some different lines here you can try putting in here to go and find it. So the first one, which will be in the description, you want to go and copy. I'm just going to go and copy it now. Then what you need to do is come into command prompt and you want to go and just right click where the line is flashing. Press enter, then go and see if you get a response. You can see mine's empty there. Alternatively, you can go and try the other line if that doesn't work. So once again, you need to go and highlight it, and we can then go and copy it from the description. And then you can go and right click to go and paste it in, press enter, and hopefully you'll then go and get your key there. I can go and see mine there. And then you can actually go and copy this here. So you click, hold and drag to go and highlight it, then press Control C, and I can then go and paste it where I want it. Otherwise, you can just go and type it out where you want it and go and save it in a notepad. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides. We make guides like this every single day, so I'm sure there'll be something in the future you'll find helpful. I look forward to help you again with whatever it is. If you've got any suggestions as well, feel free to put them down below. Have a great day. Goodbye.